How to use Turbotax for W2. If you don't have Turbotax account, first sign up to Turbotax. Then choose the appropriate Turbotax product based on your tax needs. For W2 forms, the Turbotax Deluxe or higher is usually suitable. Turbotax allows you to import W2 information automatically. You will need the employer identification number usually found on your W2. If your employer doesn't support automatic import, enter your W2 information manually. Turbotax will guide you through the process, asking for details like your wages, federal income tax withheld, social security wages, etc. TurboTax will prompt you with your various questions to ensure all relevant text information is captured. You can choose to e-file or print and mail your tax return. TurboTax offers refund options such as direct deposit. Thanks for watching.